Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today you join me on a cold December morning. Christmas is approaching. I think today's filming is the 6th of December, which is exciting because Santa's only almost 3 weeks away. So as I come up to the festive season, I've been, as everybody is, we're all out Christmas shopping, and I happened to be in Edinburgh recently and I picked up something from Louis Vuitton as a Christmas gift, but also this particular item is for myself. So today's video is going to be exploring what I bought, so stay tuned for this video. So firstly we'll start off with the packaging. This is the 2019 Christmas edition of the Louis Vuitton packaging. As you can see, it's got the monogram print, but it's very colourful and 3D effect, and it's a big thing for Louis Vuitton this year. You may have seen on Instagram they had it all wrapped around the Bond Street shop down in London. And in addition, if you download the Louis Vuitton app, you can also get these 3D monogram as kind of gifts you can send to your friends and family via iMessage on the iPhone. So that's quite handy to have. The print continues all the way around to the side, and then the back it's just a repeat again, so you've got nice gold Louis Vuitton print. It's kind of embossed, it's got a bit of a 3D ridge to it, and then you've got the colourful print across, and then down here you've got your 1854 Paris down here in the bag. But yeah, the Christmas bag all in all is quite nice and a bit different from the standard orange bags that you get. So if I go in and reach out for my particular product, like bought obviously for obvious reasons, I'm not going to jump into what I bought for friends and family that shop just in case they watch and it ruins their Christmas, but we'll start off with this. So we've got the white ribbon on the exterior of the box. We've also got that 3D monogram again on the little tag there, and again, if it was for somebody, you can pull that out and you can write in the little bit card that pulls out, you can write a wee note. And the ribbon's white instead of blue, but you still got the gold writing on Louis Vuitton. They like the way this is actually tied, because you can just slide the drawer open as normal. So if we lift that out, you've got like a little Louis Vuitton booklet there. The wee drawer slides back. I quite like those boxes. And this is your Louis Vuitton dust bag. Pretty standard, nothing exciting there. And this is what I've been excited for. So it's the Eclipse Monogram Passport holder. And hopefully I'll open that up like so. As you can see, there's a couple of ways you can have this, but I tend to have it so you can fold it like that, so then you can open up to whoever it's going to be when you're at security. I got mine hot stamped just because I quite like the fact you can get that done. I know it's a bit personal because it's something I tend to keep forever. I really wanted this Eclipse monogram just purely because you can see we've got the black and grey print. It's a bit different from the brown and kind of light brown print that's iconic from Louis Vuitton, but I actually do prefer the darker colour. It's a little bit more masculine. And as I said on the inside, we've got the silver print there for telling you Louis Vuitton Paris. This particular one is made in France, which is nice. And then you can get this obviously in any colour, you're hot stamping, but I wanted the silver just to match this here. I take the passport out to give you a little look at what's inside. You've got obviously the area you can put your passport backing into. It is made of that canvas material that Louis Vuitton is known for. So on the left hand side of the booklet, we've got room for cards, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can also get one down here if you maybe wanted a major credit card or ID down here, and you can either put your other passport leaf in there, or you could even put some currency, I guess, like notes and stuff in there. But as I said, it's really nice, high quality material, which I do think it's worth it. And if you travel a lot or something you tend to keep for a long time, I guess it's one of those products you get a lot of use out of. And so I tend to keep this for a long time, so I thought it was something I would pick up and obviously try and get before they ran out. I did find it really hard to get. Couldn't just get it in my local Edinburgh shop. I had to get it ordered up and then wait about a week or so and then get it into store. But I'm very happy obviously with it. So once the passport's actually in the holder, it's actually not too bulky. You can see it folds in nice and flat, and that will easily fit into your bag or even your jacket pocket or something, so you can walk through airport security nice and easy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video on the Louis Vuitton Eclipse Monogram Passport holder. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tom's Talks below and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao!